Uhambo lokuqinisa ubudlelwane phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neSpain kepha kunokukhathazeka ngezokuphepha kwesexwayiso esikhishwe ihhovisi lenxusa laseMelika sokuthi kungenzeka ukuhlasela abashokobezi kuleli kepha uMengameli Akeneme ngendlela okukhishwe ngayo lesexwayiso.
It was quite unfortunate that the US government issued that type of warning without having had deep dive type of discussions with us. But following that, we were able to engage them and to get to understand precisely where this warning or information has come from. We are in the course of doing precisely that.
Lezi inhloko zombuso siphinde zabhunga ngokufudukela kwabantu emazweni ase-Europe.
Migration is a common challenge that we, Africa and Europe, we are facing. First, I think that we need to address the issue of smugglers and human trafficking. Second, I would say that Spain is one of the countries that are developing circular, regular migration.
Yithuba lokubhunga nangezinye izihloko okubala kuzo ukubusa ngokubambisana.
On the issue of coalitions, there is a lot that we can learn from the various countries that have been well steeped in democratic parliamentary systems over a long time than we have. And so Spain and a number of countries have a lot of lessons that they can offer us, and we can also learn from the very positive things they've done and their mistakes.
Phinde wasebenzisa leli yithuba ukuzanxenxa kuba kususuntswinyo lezomnotho eZimbabwe.
Again, we call on the various countries that have applied sanctions, particularly on Zimbabwe, to lift those sanctions so that the economy of Zimbabwe can get back on its feet.
Kwacikicwa ezinye izivumelwano zokuqinisa ukuhwebelana phakathi kwalamazwe.